Hi everyone, welcome back again to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. In my previous video, I will show how you can install WordPress theme from your WordPress dashboard. If you missed this video, you can find the video link in my description below also. So today I like to show you how you can install theme from your cPanel if you have any problem uploading your theme in your WordPress dashboard. So for this tutorial I am using Rosemary theme. This is the Rosemary theme, only $49, and this is really nice theme. Here is the preview of this theme. You can find the theme link in my description below also.
Spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, why you so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right?
So first come first, now I like to show you if you have any problem uploading theme in your WordPress dashboard, what kind of problem you can face. So I'm adding my Rosemary theme. So this is my Rosemary theme. So this is the problem. You can see it's 406 not applicable, request is not acceptable. So I'm going to my cPanel. This is my cPanel. So after cPanel, you need to, if you want to install your WordPress theme from cPanel, go to File Manager, then go to Public HTML. After that, go to WordPress content folder. Here you can see theme folder. Go to theme folder. You can see these three theme is showing here, and you can see you can see these three theme here and this theme here. So I need to upload my theme here. When you uploading any kind of theme, then it will upload the under this folder. So I'm uploading my theme here. So select Rosemary, open. So here you can see it's upload complete. Now go back home. This is my Rosemary zip file. Now I'm unzipping my file, just extract and leave this path default. Okay, extract file. Here I need to refresh the file. So here you can see this is the Rosemary folder. These are WordPress files. So I no need to this zip file. I am deleting. Okay, delete. So now I am going to my theme section. I'm refreshing my page. Here you can see the Rosemary is coming. So now I need to active. Okay, now I like to show my website. Sorry. So here you can see my Rosemary theme is installed. So in this way, if you have any trouble to upload your theme from your WordPress dashboard, you can manually install your theme from cPanel, just uploading your theme in your under the public HTML folder. So I hope you understand how you can install your theme. And I hope you also find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video on this channel. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please comments below. Please stay safe and be happy.